Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to change email on Roku TV. Let's go. Open Settings, System, About. Here we can see your email address. Open Play Store or App Store. Find and install Roku app. Open Roku app. Sign in to your Roku account. Account info. Email. Enter your password. Enter new email. Confirm new email. That's it. Now you know how to change email on Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.